Hello people, welcome back to the channel. This biker is just riding on a winding road. See how little it takes to get out of the bend in the road. Luckily it was small crash. He doesn't need help, but I need your help to make this channel big together. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it now. It will help a lot. This driver crossed the biker lane a bit. Of course, biker is angry, but luckily only a bit. In a few seconds we are gonna see the answer to his anger. Let's see.
You don't have a passenger!
Red light, shows you the workers and all that. It's 69 ULA. Up on the pavement.
This biker is entering the highway and moving in acceleration lane. He is moving to the next lane and he is entering to the blind spot of this driver.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I got you on camera, man.
Where?
Here, look.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
he was on the left side.
Yeah, but I was coming, so you have to wait as well.
Sorry man, I didn't
Yeah.
know. Sorry.
Yeah.
Guys, look at the way the biker wants another biker for kangaroo. Is this normal in Australia? Comment below.
Oh my God. Holy.
Bikers are slowly approaching the traffic light. They have no idea what will happen when the green light comes on. Let's see.
Puta que pariu. Caraca.
Instead of helping the biker, the bad driver is trying to escape.
Tá contramão.
The driver of the black car wants to catch him, but has an obstacle in his way.
Desce, desce. Caraca, é fogo, cara.
That was crazy.
Jatuh, kenapa nih?
A biker passing down the street and seeing a downed motorcycle. Man who was riding it fell into a ditch ahead.
Aduh. Kaki yang satu lagi, apa yang itu? Pak, ke pinggir dulu. Bisa? Ada air minum. Mau ke klinik atau gimana, Pak?
This dog has a friend who takes care of his styling. He looks like Hollywood star. Let's see how these two bikers ride together.